Come get ready with me using the coolest and most beneficial primer that you have ever seen, using the Liliduro all-in-one color correcting and brightening swirl primer. It primes, color corrects, moisturizes, and brightens up my skin. It has hyaluronic acid, moisturizing niacinamide, multiple of the hyaluronic acids, vitamin A, oxidants, antioxidants, and brightening formula with a triple swirled helix formula. A little bit goes a long way. And this is the product. Look how beautiful this is. I use it little by little each day. So I use green for the color correcting, and all I do is just one pump. That's all you need. And you can use a brush or anything. It comes out in different colors. It's rainbow. Mix this in. I absolutely love this product. It's so nice and moisturizing. I don't need to use any other moisturizing. That's all you need to prime your skin. I'm about to show you how well this Liliduro primer works so well under foundation. Whatever you want to use, cream, liquid, or powder foundation, anything works, and it's such a seamless, flawless finish. It doesn't even look like you're wearing makeup. It's your skin but better kind of look. I just blend it in like this. You don't need a lot. And that's all I do. Let's all take a moment to appreciate how well blended and smooth my foundation looks thanks to the Liliduro primer. In its summer, it's sweat proof. That's what I forgot to mention. I am sweating so much and it looks completely great and glowing. It's so lightweight, it feels like you're not wearing a thing. I'm done with my face makeup. I just use a little bit and it blends in so well with other cosmetics or powders you're using. And I just do this, just like that. A little bit of blush. Products like highlighter or anything that's so bright and stands out and illuminates your texture, it still looks amazing. It looks like I'm not wearing any makeup. Look at that. It just blends so well. It's literally so smooth. It feels like butter. I'm going to tell you the honest truth of how I feel about primers. I never thought there was a point to it until I realized about Liliduro. This actually benefits your skin. Even if this wasn't a primer, I would buy this just alone. But now that it can do everything, simple and easy, I'm an avid primer user thanks to Liliduro. I'm also going to confess that I sleep with my makeup on. I never really take it off. And this has protected my skin barrier. If that doesn't seal the deal on how outstanding and #1 this primer is to me, we are finally done with my summer routine in under 5 minutes, thanks to the Liliduro primer and all-in-one moisturizer, brightener, corrector, concealer. Simplify your routine, especially for the summer, because this is waterproof. You don't even need foundation with this. I'm not forcing anyone here, but if you go get the Liliduro all-in-one primer from the TikTok shop and on my showcase, you are about to have the most carefree and simple summer routine of your life. You will not need to worry about your skin or any breakouts that you are having because of Liliduro. And your makeup is going to be waterproof, sweat-proof, everything. You are about to have the most glowing, radiant skin thanks to Liliduro. Do not worry about your acne or blemishes because Liliduro all-in-one primer is here to help. If my luminizing skin doesn't convince you already, go try this for yourself. I just made your whole routine, makeup routine, skincare routine, so much more simple thanks to Liliduro. Can't wait to see your glowing, luminizing, waterproof summer faces splashing in the water. Thank me later.